There was Salesforce at one point. Now you have this whole ecosystem that has emerged around Salesforce, to specialty tools and various apps that tap into it and serve different purposes. And I know that's kind of the world of Prolifiq, where the two of you come from, Andy and Ron. Can you talk a little bit about what Prolifiq is and how it fits into the CRM mix?
Sure. Yeah, Prolifiq is Prolifiq, we are a native to Salesforce partner. So we assume all the data sets that Salesforce does. So we can only work with people who have Salesforce as their CRM. Mm-hmm. We're a native Salesforce app that specializes in strategic account planning, key account management, relationship mapping, kind of going back to what we just talked about, where Dave mentioned understanding the hierarchy, understanding the people that you need to talk to within an organization, whether that is various inside salespeople, sales leadership, executive leadership, purchasing, procurement, and so on. And then we kind of tie in all of that within Salesforce, within your platform, or a dashboard add-on that could download in 5 minutes, to where you could see that visually all in one specific location within your account or opportunity. So if you're building out a map for an opportunity or a stakeholder, that's one visualized location that you could see it and build out key personas within that account or opportunity, and everybody could see it in real time. And that's kind of the aspect that I found that's the most intriguing, is you could validate who you need to talk to and all the different relationships within that account in real time. And then on the other side of the app, you're building out a complete account plan to where you could visualize and see and log and chart white space opportunities. So cross-sell, upsell opportunities within your accounts, or opportunities that you might be able to get and achieve to drive that revenue. And then finally, on top of that, you have real-time insights. So somebody like the CEO or sales leader could go in and see the health of the account, see what needs to be worked on, seeing how you're progressing that account or opportunity, and where you need to be to grow that account or land that opportunity.
Yeah, no, I think Ron hit on a lot of things at a high level. It's to help centralize all of that key account information that's typically sitting in a spreadsheet, a sticky note, a whiteboard, a slide deck. It brings it into one location where your customer service, your sales, your marketing teams, leadership, all has visibility in one place to very easily dissect what is going on within, whether it's a new pursuit, new business you're trying to win, an existing customer. I think it does a nice job of providing that visibility into who's potentially derailing your deals, who are your supporters, your champions that have used your product in the past. I mean, Joe, you touched on CRM is meant to be, it's built around relationships. And I think that's something that this solution does really well, is it helps you really clearly identify and understand where you have existing relationships and where there's still work to be done in order to ensure that you're not losing that account, to a competitor potentially. So it's a great way to bring all of this information just into one place.